Okay, leather gloves, safety glasses, and Dremel metal cutting blade. Not going to be as easy. Let's try it from here. Oh my goodness. Problem is I can't get a good angle on it. There we go. I also need better lighting. Can't really see what I'm doing over here. There we go. No, that's cutting through. Okay. See, I couldn't see that very well. Oh my goodness. One thing about the Dremel is I found you cannot put any pressure on the blade. If you do, you will break your blade. It will just pop, fly right off the wheel, and that's dangerous. Let it shut off completely before you lay it down. Let me see if I can snip off the rest of this. Finally, that piece is now off. It's been needing to be done for a while now, but I didn't have any metal cutting blades left for my Dremel. Now I got some more. Go throw that out for the scrappers. And I'll worry about that little piece that's left over here later. This copper piping back here, and I don't want to accidentally catch it. In fact, I might just be able to bend that down and form it over that. We'll see what I do with it later. I want to get this floor done and get my shop vac and clean that up some more. Actually, that's the old linoleum there. So that can be cut out and pulled out too. Move the Dremel out of the way. Let's see what I can do as far as getting the rest of this stuff out. Oh, stand there. Wow, that's really stuck. There we go. Oh yeah, that's not so bad. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, I'm going to put the camera up as you get the idea of what I'm trying to do. I was able to cut off a little more over here in the corner. I just don't want to get too close to the wall. And there's copper piping back here. If I cut that, that would not be a good thing. And to get the old linoleum out, I just took this old pair of pliers and just grabbed it and twisted on it until I twisted it out. So I'm going to clean all this up. Okay, so I got most of that crud out of there. I still have to dig a little bit out from the old flange. That flange probably needs replacing. And I need to dig some more out of the corners. And then I'll be ready to start laying the floor down. That will be awesome. But I'm going to call it a day. I'm not feeling too good today. And it's just best that I go ahead and call it a day and get a few other things done that I need to attend to, such as my plants. We're having a freeze come in on Tuesday, and today's Sunday. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain. So I better go ahead and address that issue today. Talk to y'all later. Thank you for watching, and live the life you love. Let's not leave it on that note. Let's go somewhere pretty. There you go. Ah, dear. Okay. Catch y'all later. Bye.